It's a kind of magic. It's a kind of magic. A kind of magic.
Well, hi guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video on single pin picking another master. It's a 50mm Dimple padlock. I've single pin picked this when I first purchased it about a year ago. I think I bought this with the Master 170 I've recently done a video on. It does come with a key, and that's the key. And the reason for this video is I decided to get this out today. After picking it, I literally put it in the box after uploading the video, and I've never really played with it, but today decided to use a couple of different bits and pieces. Still using the Gosso Dimple pick, but I'm using a different tip. So you've got a few bits and pieces in there. If you've got a Gosso set or a Southard, experiment with your tips of the pick. I'm also using slightly different tension wrench, which is another flexi, but a bit thicker to the other one I used before. Like I say, I'll bob that in there again. It's the working key. It's locked up. I know the whole point of lock picking and lock sports, etc., is to manipulate the lock. Doesn't matter how long it takes you to get the lock open, providing you're not using a working key, but it is always nice to get them open quite quickly. So let's pop that in there. Slight tension on it if I push that all the way to the back. Basically, I think with me pushing it in, it seems to set a couple of the pins. And there you go, that was quite quick. Let's lock that back up again. Set the wrench in. Again, slight pressure. Pick right to the back. Like I say, just pushing it in, it seems to assist with setting a couple of the pins. Again, very quickly. Like I say guys, it's the whole point of lock sport and lock picking is to open the lock without the working key, but it's great fun doing a lock and picking it as fast as you can. So I'm a newbie to Dimple locks. I think this and another Euro is the only ones I've actually single pin picked. So like I say, I'm a newbie myself to these, and if you are newbies in general to lock sport, please come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Great forum, fantastic tips, great advice. Come join us. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.